Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain why scientists believe that blueberries are a hormone health superfood. In order to do that though, I have to explain a few other things first. First of all, blueberries are one of the richest sources of compounds called anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are anti-inflammatory, antioxidant compounds that make foods blue. So think, or purple by the way, so purple corn, eggplant, blueberries, blackberries, and you can Google to learn more sources of anthocyanins. They're all very good for you. Now I talk about anthocyanins a lot because they're very good for insulin resistance, for liver health, and for metabolic health. But in this case, I'm talking about them in a different way. Now, you may have heard the term microplastics. These are small plastic particles that we get exposed to from using plastic bottles, plastic bags, disposable plates, and all sorts of other stuff that can be hard to avoid in our day-to-day life. Now, you may have also heard that microplastics can act as like hormone disruptors. And the reason is they bind receptors in the cell called hormone receptors or steroid receptors like estrogen and androgen receptors that men and women have. So microplastics might bind those receptors and interfere with our hormones in that way. But here's the thing, scientists believe that anthocyanins, so those wonderful compounds found in blueberries, in grapes, and black beans, may actually block microplastics from binding to those hormone receptors and minimize their negative effect on hormone levels. So this is one among so many reasons why you must know the word anthocyanins, and you got to go out there and figure out which foods that you like that contain anthocyanins, because in addition to reducing inflammation, reducing insulin resistance, they will protect you from the negative effects of microplastics and potentially protect your hormone and reproductive health by blocking those compounds from binding to your hormone receptors. Hope you enjoyed today's video and the fun science within.